Hey guys, it's Brooke with WTI. We have recently discovered that our son absolutely loves train sets, and I immediately went on to get him one. We love this train set by On Track USA. It is a wooden train set, and it also has the compatibility to make it a figure 8. One of my favorite parts is that it comes with this container to keep everything together. It also makes it a lot easier for cleanup, and he loves carrying this around and even helping us clean up. I love that it comes with all of these little extra pieces also to make it like a little farm with a conductor. Also, he loves to make the cow and the sheep walk on the tracks, and he just likes to play pretend, and it's super cute. I also find this is very good for his cognitive development because if the magnets don't go together, he has figured out that he needs to turn it around or do something different instead of getting frustrated. If you have a kid that loves trains or you'd like to try something new, I highly recommend getting this wooden train set. It is perfect. My son loves it, and I think your kids will love it too. But that's just my point of view.